Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome to my channel Baraka Bloom. Today we will see a small conversation. Khanaswi saw alif saghira. Let's have a small chat.
Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you.
Wa alaikum assalam and peace be upon you too.
Shlonich Auntie, how are you?
Tamam, Alhamdulillah, wa ant. I am fine, thanks God. And you?
Alhamdulillah, kul shay zain. Thanks God, everything's good. Shasawaitil yawm. What did you do today?
Rihtis souk. I went to the market.
Sharaiti shay. Did you buy anything?
E. Sharaitil kada shagla. Yes, I bought a few things.
Shinu Sharaiti. What did you buy?
Sharaitu hal mitaf ajabach. I bought this coat. Do you like it?
E. Ajabni hail. Wa'id hilaw. Min when Sharaiti. Yes, I really like it. It's very nice. Where did you buy it?
Minal mall. From the mall.
Kana Ghali. Was it expensive?
La mu ghali. Alay khasam $20. No, not expensive. It had a $20 discount. Shukran. Thank you for watching my video. If anything specific you want to learn, let me know. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.